Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan Pathfinder with the key. First, ensure your Pathfinder is in park or neutral. Then, fully insert your key into the ignition cylinder. You should feel it click into place. This prepares the vehicle for the next step, ensuring all systems are ready for ignition. Always confirm the gear selection before proceeding to turn the key. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This powers some accessories like the radio. Next, turn the key further to the on position. You'll see most of your dashboard warning lights illuminate and then extinguish as the vehicle performs its system checks. This step is crucial for the vehicle's computer to prepare for engine start. With the vehicle in the on position, turn the key completely to the start position. Hold it there for a moment, typically 1 to 2 seconds, until the engine cranks and ignites. As soon as the engine starts, release the key. It will automatically spring back to the on position. Avoid holding the key in start for too long after ignition. After your Pathfinder has successfully started, take a quick look at your dashboard. Ensure no warning lights remain illuminated, indicating a potential issue. Allow the engine to idle for a short period, especially in colder weather, before driving. You can then adjust your climate control and audio settings for a comfortable journey. You're now ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.